Instructions for creating advertising content on Facebook. Advertising on Facebook is a powerful way to reach your target audience and promote your products or services. However, creating effective Facebook ads requires careful planning and execution. In this article, we will provide a comprehensive guide to help you create compelling Facebook ads that drive results. Define your objectives. Before creating your Facebook ad, it is essential to define your objectives. What do you want to achieve with your ad? Do you want to boost sales, increase brand awareness, or generate leads? Once you have a clear objective in mind, you can tailor your ad content and targeting accordingly. Know your target audience. Facebook offers a wealth of data about its users, including demographics, interests, and behaviors. Use this information to identify your target audience and create ads that resonate with them. For example, if you are advertising a new line of athletic shoes, you may want to target people who are interested in fitness and sports. Choose the right ad format. Facebook offers several ad formats to choose from, including image ads, video ads, carousel ads, and more. Choose the format that best suits your objectives and ad content. For example, if you want to showcase multiple products, a carousel ad may be the best option. Create compelling ad copy. Your ad copy should be concise, attention-grabbing, and relevant to your target audience. Use persuasive language and highlight the benefits of your product or service. Include a clear call to action, CTA, to encourage users to take action, such as shop now or learn more. Use high-quality visuals. Visuals are a crucial component of Facebook ads. Choose high-quality images or videos that showcase your product or service in the best possible light. Use clear and eye-catching visuals that grab users' attention and make your ad stand out in their newsfeed. Optimize ad targeting. Facebook allows you to target your ads based on a wide range of criteria, including age, gender, location, interests, and behaviors. Use this targeting to ensure your ads reach the right audience and maximize their effectiveness. Test and refine your ads. Once your ad is live, monitor its performance and make adjustments as needed. Test different ad formats, copy, visuals, and targeting to see what works best. Use Facebook's ad analytics to track your ad's performance and make data-driven decisions. Use A/B testing. A/B testing is a powerful technique that allows you to test two versions of your ad and determine which one performs better. For example, you could test two different headlines or images to see which one generates more clicks or conversions. Use Facebook's A/B testing feature to conduct these experiments and refine your ad content accordingly. Use retargeting. Retargeting is a technique that allows you to show ads to users who have previously interacted with your brand or visited your website. This can be a highly effective way to re-engage users who have shown interest in your product or service. Use Facebook's retargeting feature to create custom audiences and show targeted ads to these users. Follow Facebook